Okay, in this video, this will be a review of this two-tier food steamer. We'll go over some of the features, and then at the end of the video, I'll let you read the manual. For starters, the entire thing stands about 11.5 inches tall, and the width of it is 9.5 inches. You have two separate tiers. You get two baskets. If you only need to use one at a time, then you get there's only one lid, so that'll fit like that. And if you're using both of them, then the bottom of the other one becomes the lid of that one, and you have that sitting on there like that. Well, if you put it on there correctly. 60-minute timer at 15-minute increments. It's fairly straightforward. It just turns on and automatically shuts off. If it gets for cleaning, it's real easy to do because it's steamed food. It's not going to stick to it that much. And as far as this, you just rinse it out. If you get some scale buildup on this, you can just use some vinegar and it'll clean up real easy. It's BPA-free. And I think that's about it. It's got a capacity of 5 quarts. And now I'll let you go ahead and read the manual. Okay, what we'll do here is if you need to pause the video, you can do that. And I'll just go through it quickly so the video ain't super long. It's a good little device. Haven't had any issues with it. The food comes out really good. That's about it. Hope this helps you. Have a wonderful day. See ya.